deal with this differential equation, to solve it, realizing that we have to get the general solution of such a differential equation. So what do we see here? We see it clearly that this differential equation obeys the linear differential equation form. So it obeys it clearly. So what do? We take it there. So the form we are talking about is dy dx plus p of y is equal to q. So whereby we have to get an integrating factor as exponential to power the integral of p dx. Now in this case, if we clearly see this, we realize that we can have p. We can identify p here. So identifying p there, p is 2 cotθ. Now after identifying p, we have to go ahead and get the integral of that. So integrating factor is the exponential to power the integral. In this case is going to be 2 cotθ d theta. Yeah, so it's that. Now if we realize this, we can simplify it to being this is e of integral 2 cotθ d theta. But we know that the integral of a cot theta is ln sin theta. So this will be e 2 ln sin theta. Yeah, so taking it 2 up here, obeying the laws of logarithm, we realize that we can have the integrating factor as e exponential to power ln of sin squared theta. But since according to the law of logarithm, exponential of ln is the same as exponential of log base e, which eventually gives us a sin square theta. Now this sin square theta, we are going to multiply it throughout here. So we multiply it throughout the equation. So we shall have, multiplying this throughout, we shall have sin square theta dr d theta plus, we are multiplying this here now, it becomes 2r times sin square theta times cot theta is equal to, so we multiply it to this side, it will be sin square theta times cosec square theta. Now when we simplify this keenly to see it clearly, so we shall have sin square theta dr d theta plus, this is 2r times sin square theta, but cot is cos theta out of sin theta. You can see that is equal to, when you go to this side, this is sin squared theta times cosec squared theta is the same as 1 out of sin square theta. So you clearly see this will cancel with that. One of these will go with one of that. And then finally we can have sin square theta dr d theta plus, this becomes 2r sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. Now after reaching this point, you realize that this side for linear differential equation, this side becomes exact. So you are going to take it to exact dE. Taking it back to exact dE, so we realize that we can have it as it came from being the derivative of r sin square squared theta, then d theta is equal to 1. So if you haven't watched my video about exact DE, I'm going to link it in the description. It's there, you can go and watch it. So easy things. Now, the next thing is to integrate on both sides. So we shall have the integral of the derivative with respect to theta of r sine squared theta d theta is actually the integral of 1 d theta. Now we go ahead and crush the number. So this, when you integrate, this goes with that, so we remain with r sine squared theta is actually equal to theta plus sc. As simple as this. So you have defeated the number. Therefore, the general solution of this differential equation is actually this. So it's the general solution of that. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, share because sharing is caring. Comment where you have issue. Yeah, sharing is caring. We meet in the next. Thank you so much.